The guy for the telephone and the new internet asked me about the solar. I said, well, I had to pay $1,730 for a main solar system to run for 30 days off grid. I said, it's crap. It don't work at all, really. I mean, the whole truth of the matter is there wasn't enough charge on the batteries to even keep the camper running with like 300 watts of solar, really. I had to run generators, gas, and propane that cost $1,730. Probably subtract 300 for repairs and stuff, or 400, but still, you had to run a generator or gas or propane generators, and the cost would be more than buying the solar systems, really, just for 1 month, really. That's what it was, really. The guy was in shock, really. This is a new setup the guy put in, really. There's a little box there. That's the new setup. I was talking about the solar and power systems I used when I was off grid, when they took the meter for 30 days and there was an underground fire in the underground wiring, and the people said, oh, you have solar, it'd be okay to do that. Well, I'm still arguing with them over $1,730 for repairs and stuff. I mean, what would have happened if my place burned to the ground like my buddy's garage did around here? You know, it was the same type of short and same type of crap that went on. I had a surge protector on my breaker box, or my house would have all been ashes, really. I mean, these idiots are like lost in space somewhere, really. The zoning people are too. Update. Really. That's what I was talking about. The guy didn't even know what we had a fire.